Air Sea Containers offer a range of 4G combination packaging solutions for the transportation of dangerous goods by road, sea or air, utilising specific approved inner packaging. Always refer to the code 474 assembly instructions when assembling this package, which provides information on the correct assembly method and a list of approved inners. The code 474 comes fully assembled, however additional taping is required. First, start by sealing the base of the box with 75mm adhesive tape in a U-shape. Place the approved inner into the cushioning bubble pouch, then place into the 4G box. Place the foam pad on top of the inner. Close the outer packaging flaps in numerical order as printed on the box, securing flap 4 with a pre-placed double-sided tape. Seal the box with 75mm adhesive tape in a U-shape. Your product is now correctly packaged and ready for the appropriate hazard labels to be affixed, along with any other necessary consignment information.